The dreams we built are slipping fast, a fragile future that couldn't last. They fade like smoke in the midnight air, leaving me broken, standing there. The nights are longer, the stars don't glow. The love is gone, but the pain won't go. A fleeting dream, a shattered seam. I'm left with only vanishing dreams. Vanishing dreams, they slip away. No hope for love, no words to say. I hold the pieces, they disappear. Vanishing dreams are all I The echo fades, the music dies. I'm blinded now by empty skies. A memory burns, but can't redeem. I'm haunted by these vanishing dreams. Vanishing dreams, they slip away. No hope for love, no words to say. I hold the pieces, they disappear. Vanishing dreams are all I If dreams could live, I'd fight the night. I'd hold them close, I'd make it right. But time is stolen, what love redeems, and left me drowning in vanishing dreams. The dawn will come, but I won't wake. These vanishing dreams are mine to take. Forever lost, nothing it seems, just endless night and vanishing dreams. Static fills the air tonight. Every signal fades from sight. I'm tuned in, but can't connect. Lonely waves I can't detect. Every station calls your name. Every song still sounds the same. Though I reach across the sea, all I find is vacancy. Lonely frequency calling you, but the silence still breaks through. Every channel's lost its way, and my heart won't find the day. Would your voice be crystal clear, or would static fill the sky while I'm left to wonder why? Every call is lost again, every tone becomes my pain. Through the dark I try to see, but I'm trapped in frequency. Lonely frequency calling you, but the silence still breaks through. Every channel's lost its way, and my heart won't find the broken hearts still learn to move, searching for a hidden groove. Every step's a fragile call, trying hard to stand through all. Though the music fills the air, pain is something I still wear. Every spin reminds me so of the love I had to let go. Dance of the broken, falling slow. Every scar begins to show. Even when the lights still shine, I can't leave the past behind. Dance of the broken, falling slow. Every scar begins to show. Even when the lights still shine, I can't leave the past behind. Shattered glass beneath my feet, echoes of a love defeat. Through the rhythm still I cry, holding ghosts that pass me by. If the song could heal my soul, would I ever feel control? Still the night keeps pulling me to the pain I cannot free. Spinning fast but falling low, everyone refuses to go. Still I dance, the hope is gone. Broken